Have you ever wondered what's really going on inside your car when it shifts gears? It feels almost like magic, right? One moment, you're accelerating, and the next, click, a seamless shift to the next gear. Well, it's not magic, it's some seriously clever engineering. And the hero of this story is a little black box called the Transmission Control Module, or T. Today, we're diving deep into the digital brain of your gearbox to understand how it makes those perfect shifts every single time. Welcome to CodeMechanic, where we decode the tech that drives you. So, what exactly is this TCM? Think of it as the dedicated manager for your automatic transmission. Its one and only job is to decide when to shift and how to shift. To do this, it needs information, and lots of it. It's constantly listening to a whole network of sensors spread throughout your vehicle. The most important ones are the vehicle speed sensor, which tells it how fast you're going, and the throttle position sensor, which knows how hard you're pressing the gas pedal. Are you gently cruising or flooring it to merge onto the highway? The TCM knows. But it doesn't stop there. Modern TCMs are even smarter. They also monitor the engine's RPM, the temperature of the transmission fluid, which gear you've selected, and even whether you're going uphill or downhill. It's like a symphony of data flowing into this little computer every millisecond. The TCM takes all this information and compares it to a pre-programmed set of instructions called a shift map. This map is essentially the transmission's rulebook, created by engineers to provide the best balance of performance, fuel economy, and comfort. Okay, so the TCM has all the data, and it has made a decision. It has time to shift from second to third gear. What happens next? This is where the magic really happens. The TCM sends an electrical signal to a group of components inside the transmission called solenoids. These solenoids are basically little electronic gates. When the TCM energizes a specific solenoid, it opens up, allowing high-pressure hydraulic fluid to flow through a complex maze of passages, known as the valve body. This pressurized fluid is the muscle. It engages or disengages different clutch packs and bands inside the transmission. Think of it like this. To get into third gear, the TCM might command one solenoid to release the clutch for second gear, while simultaneously commanding another solenoid to engage the clutch for third gear. It's a precisely timed dance of hydraulic pressure. The TCM has to control this pressure perfectly. Too much pressure, and you get a harsh, hurrying shift. Too little, and the clutches will slip, causing wear and tear. This is why modern transmissions feel so incredibly smooth. The computer is constantly adjusting the pressure in real time to make the shift almost imperceptible. But wait, there's more. The TCM is also in constant communication with your engine's computer, the ECU, when it's about to shift. The TCM can actually ask the ECU to briefly reduce the engine's power for just a fraction of a second. By slightly pulling back the throttle or adjusting the ignition timing, it reduces the load on the transmission, allowing the clutches to engage even more smoothly. This handshake between the two computers is crucial for both the lifespan of your transmission and that silky smooth driving experience. It's a beautiful example of how integrated modern vehicle systems have become. So, the next time you're driving and feel that effortless gear change, you'll know exactly what's happening. It's not just a mechanical process. It's a high-speed digital conversation, a network of sensors feeding data to a powerful computer, which then orchestrates a perfectly timed hydraulic ballet, all while talking to the engine to make it happen flawlessly. It's the hidden genius of your transmission control module. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive tech, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to CodeMechanic for more. We've got plenty more to explore under the hood. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.